Hi, this is Wayne from Inkish at Printing United here in Orlando. I now have the pleasure of interviewing Steve Lakustov from Bag Tags. Really nice to meet you, Steve.
Likewise.
So you're here at Printing United. Is this the first time you visited a Printing United show?
This is our first time at Print United.
Oh, okay.
It's huge. The floor is wild.
It certainly is.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit more about Bag Tags. You're based in
based
Illinois?
just outside of Chicago. We're in Skokie, Illinois. We are a manufacturer of luggage tags and event credentials.
Right.
We work a lot with youth sports, professional sports, and then just lots of luggage tags for adventure travel, trade shows like this one when they're not doing it on site.
Right. Okay. So just out of interest, I mean, this is the first time you've been to Printing United show.
Yes.
What's brought you here to this particular show? What made you wake up last week or the week before and say, do you know what, let's go to Orlando? Or maybe it was just Orlando.
Well, I've been getting invites as a printer for years to Print United.
Yeah.
I've been to some other shows. We've been to some smaller ones in Chicago. We've done the HP print show.
Right.
But we're shopping for a digital press right now.
Oh.
So you don't want to go
Wow.
to a trade show that just has one of the companies. You want to talk to them all.
Right. So you've just made yourself a very popular man at this show, you know. When this goes out, there'll be people hunting you down. So we're on the Rollum stand.
Yep.
I mean, I understand that you're a customer
We are.
for Rollum, and you have, what type of equipment have you purchased from them?
We got the Insignia X3 die cutter from Rollum.
Right.
We got it a year and a half to 2 years ago. It's been an absolute game changer. We used to have to manually drill 2 holes in each sheet after laminating it, and then die cut them one by one. We had a person manually standing there at a clicker die press.
Right.
And now, I mean, what a person did in about 8 hours, I can do in 1 hour or less on the Rollum.
Right, okay.
And that's at speed 0. That's at base speed.
Right. So, I mean, obviously you searched around when you was looking for a machine. I mean, was it a problem that you knew you had, or did you see the machine and think, do you know what, that does solve a problem that we have?
We saw it at a different trade show, and we're like, they told us this would work for you guys. Our management at the time, they were a little skeptical,
Right.
Perfect leading edges and things like that. But when we talked to them again, and they said, just try it, send us some of your product. They blew us out of the water. They really did it. We're looking at some of their competitors who do it based on QR codes, but it's a lot slower.
Right.
And this is exactly what we needed.
Right, okay. So it sounds like you're very happy with the equipment.
Oh, it's been great. Yeah, I can't imagine working without it anymore.
Right.
I can't believe for 7 years I worked without it.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So they've just opened an office, I understand, in Chicago. Is that right? That must help you with regards to service and that kind of thing.
Yeah, they have a plant in Schaumburg where we did all our training, where they have a wonderful tech named Edgar right now.
Right.
So they've just been great. To Kevin, to all the guys. Every time you see them at a trade show, these guys are very calm. They're confident in their product, and I know why.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. I mean, it's absolutely brilliant, and it's testament to the engineering, I guess. So going forward, I mean, are you looking at? Obviously you're looking for a digital press.
Yeah.
Well, then that obviously then will require digital finishing. Is it a lengthy shopping list that you've got?
No, it's a lot of R&D. So there's presses, and a lot of them do a lot of great stuff, but we also do finishing and die cutting. So we have to do our due diligence, put it through the paces, and then run it through the machine and see if it holds up.
Yeah, sure. Well, it's been an absolute pleasure
Likewise,
talking to you, Steve.
so great to meet you.
Great to come to. You need to come to more trade shows.
Yeah,
You need to
definitely.
come to more
Thank you.
trade shows. And I hope, are you here for a couple of days? Or?
Yeah, we got in yesterday. We're here till Friday.
Right. Oh, here till Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, well, good luck with the
Thank you
shopping.
thanks so
and,
much.
We'll catch up soon.
Yeah, likewise. Thanks so
Steve.
much.
Thank you.